How to buy a Steam gift card. Steam gift cards are a popular choice for gamers, allowing them to purchase games, in-game items, software, and more on the Steam platform. Here's a structured guide to buying Steam gift cards safely and easily. What is a Steam gift card? A Steam gift card is a prepaid card that adds funds to your Steam wallet, which can be used to buy games, DLCs, in-game items, and other digital content from the Steam store. Where to buy Steam gift cards? Steam gift cards are available from official retailers, electronics stores, gaming shops, and authorized online platforms. Ensure you buy from reputable sellers to avoid scams or invalid cards. Types of Steam gift cards. Steam gift cards come in physical and digital forms, with denominations typically ranging from $5 to $100, providing flexibility based on your budget and needs. Physical versus digital gift cards. Physical cards are available in stores, while digital cards are delivered via email immediately after purchase, making them a convenient option for instant use or last-minute gifting. Check available denominations. Select the denomination that suits your needs, whether you need a small top-up or a larger amount for bigger purchases on Steam. Compare prices and promotions. Check prices across different sellers and look for promotions, discounts, or cashback offers, especially during sales events or holiday periods. Verify seller authenticity. Purchase from trusted and authorized retailers to avoid receiving counterfeit or invalid cards. Look for official seals or certification when buying from online platforms. Use secure payment methods. Pay using secure options such as credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, or trusted payment gateways to protect your financial information during transactions. Redeem the gift card safely. After purchasing, redeem the gift card by entering the unique code in your Steam account's wallet section. Double-check the code to ensure it's entered correctly. Buying a Steam gift card is quick and straightforward when done through reputable sellers. By verifying authenticity, using secure payment methods, and checking for deals, you can safely top up your Steam wallet and enjoy your favorite games and digital content.